in Walmart, how can we apply filters on Walmart catalog? Here, first come inside to the catalog. You click here. After clicking there, you can see here is the product. Inside here is the inventory Walmart catalog. You can see here is also published 903 items inside my catalog. So how we can apply filters? Filter means I want to see only available items, and sometimes I want to see only out of stock items. Okay, so to see the item out of stock items, we have to apply the filter. Here is the filter option. You click here. Here you can see inventory availability. Just click here. Once you click there, you can see if you want to see only available items, then just select here available and apply here. If you want to see the out of stock items, then just click here, then apply. In this way, you can apply any filter to the inventory or your Walmart category. Thank you.